Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today's my Viva topic is difference between constructor and methods. Today is 1st December 2022. So telling about firstly the constructor. Constructor is a special member function in the class. This is the important topic in the Java. So constructor is a widely used in the Java. So constructor is a special member function in the class. So this is the initializing the objects and instance of the class. So this is the store the memory in these objects, and object is the instance of a class and runtime entity. So constructor is two type of constructor. First is the default constructor, next is the parameterized constructor. Default constructor is the not a parameters value pass the code. So this is the default constructor is a not parameterized constructor. This is the null 0. This is the example of the default constructor. And next is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized the constructor is the parameter value pass the code in another values in the pass the codes. This is the parameterized constructor. So this is the types of constructor. And next is the methods. So method is the block of code which of the only run it's called as the method. This is the block of code which run the methods. It's called as the methods. So Java perform the any methods in the compare to ignore case, to carry array. This is the Java's methods. And method is the two type of methods: predefined method and user defined methods. So predefined methods is compare to carry array, index methods, caret methods. This is the Java methods. This is the predefined method, and user defined methods to create any other create the methods. And this is the write the logic in this course. So example of the methods. So create a binary search program. So this is the create a array and logic, create a array and create the methods and logic in this another methods, and to compare the two methods and create the output and create the outputs. And this is the function calls in the methods. This is the pass the parameter, pass the value in these methods. And methods are called the block of the code in the runs at the methods. It's called as the method. So thank you.